Well, hey guys, just wanted to show you that I 3D printed off a oil funnel. I had to put this file on Tinkercad and change it a little bit, and well, you can see it's square. I changed a few things in here. Changed a few things in here, and I also added a round piece to a square piece. Can't see holes in it or anything like that. It's nice and solid. But it was square. It stopped right here. It was square, or whatever you want to call this. Anyways, so I took a round piece and stuck on the square, and now the round can go in the round holes to where the square couldn't go in the round holes. So I added a round to the end and made it a little longer so it would fit in. So I think it looks pretty good. Now, so 3D printed this Harley Davidson wall sign or whatever. It's not really a pinkish color. It looks like pink, but it's not pink. But I think if you had this on the wall, it would show up really good, in your shop or your house or man cave or whatever. Anyways, I'm printing out an Ozzy Osbourne miniature bust to kind of because he passed away and stuff, I kind of want to do a tribute thing or whatever. So I will come back when this is done, which will probably be in about 4 or 5 hours.